This weekend alone, I feel so alone. I wait you to come with none behind my back. I heard your voice through an open door. Just 2 days ago, I squeezed none behind